At dawn the birds sing to proclaim the spirit that flows through them and through all things. This is the spirit that gives them wings, the spirit that gives them flight. To the rising sun, sing of the divinity within you. As like to like, so the sun shines with the source that is within you. The sun is within you. You are the sun. There is no light but the sun, no source but the infinite.